Every week, you spend hours trying to figure out what to cook, guessing exact portion sizes for growing teenagers, and inevitably throwing away rotting celery forgotten in the back of the crisper drawer. The mental fatigue of meal planning is a compounding chore. To solve this, we are going to use the AI Grocery Architect framework. By running a specific set of instructions through a free AI tool, you can generate a fully customized weekly meal plan for your household in under 5 minutes. This diagram breaks down your return on investment. First, reclaim exactly 4 hours a week of planning. Next, eliminate $50 wasted weekly on spoilage. Finally, a strict list cuts $30 in impulse buys. Over $300 retained. To execute this, you do not need a technical background or any coding experience. The only prerequisite is a free Google Gemini account. We are removing the guesswork. By setting up this AI tool, you transition meal planning from a stressful, recurring household chore into an automated system that protects your budget. Step 1. Open Google Gemini on your computer or phone and get ready to input your baseline instructions. We start with a simple psychological trick. Instead of treating the AI like a search engine, assign it a persona. Instruct Gemini to act specifically as a regional nutritionist in your area. Next, feed it your core family variables. The AI needs to know the exact number of adults and teenagers in the house, including specific genders, so it can accurately calculate caloric baselines and portion sizes. Now list your nutritional constraints. Tell the nutritionist it must balance daily water targets, manage the juice intake ratio, and ensure a healthy mix of fruits, vegetables, and meats. This template displays exactly what your prompt should look like. You do not have to write this from scratch. All you need to do is fill in these highlighted bracketed blanks with your specific family size and ages. Establishing this baseline gives you a healthy standard for a checkup. When the week is underway, you will be able to instantly identify which family member is falling behind on their specific dietary needs. Providing a detailed household manifest to a specialized AI persona ensures you receive a precise operational plan rather than generic internet recipes. To make this output hyper-accurate, we have to apply constraints. In AI operations, constraints breed accuracy. We will upgrade your baseline with 3 strict boundaries. Upgrade 1. Lock in your exact location. Do not just let the AI assume you want a regional plan. Type in the actual name of your city. The AI will use your specific city data to cross-reference local weather considerations and determine what produce is actually in season. This ensures you are targeting the cheapest market pricing available right now. Upgrade 2. Command the AI to separate the grocery list from the daily tracking mechanism. If you skip this step, Gemini will output a dense, unreadable wall of text. You must explicitly demand a scannable daily tracking table. Look at this split screen. On the left is the typical messy paragraph most users settle for. On the right, forcing the table format allows you as a parent to check off water and veggie targets at a single glance. Upgrade 3. Establish a firm budget tier before you generate the final list. As shown here, you need to instruct the AI to target an economical, mid-range, or premium tier. Defining this prevents the system from automatically defaulting to expensive, high-end organic brands. By layering these 3 constraints, geography, formatting, and budget, you force the AI to produce a localized, executable reality. With your variables and constraints set, simply hit Enter in Gemini and watch your localized menu generate. You now possess an exact copy-and-paste shopping list that is perfectly calibrated to your local supermarket's current seasonal stock. This table tracks your daily execution. By checking off the water intake and veggie portions as the week progresses, you completely remove the guesswork from monitoring your family's nutrition. What used to demand 4 hours of mental fatigue is now handled by a single, repeatable prompt that you can use every Sunday. If you want more step-by-step household operational hacks, subscribe to the channel and join our free Substack newsletter. And for viewers looking for immediate access to our complete library of advanced templates and operational systems, you can join the Vault. This slide details our current early bird pricing. You can secure access for $150 a year, discounted from $250, strictly limited to the first 1,000 members. Applying these basic AI frameworks organizes your grocery runs, but more importantly, it is a practical step toward reclaiming your most valuable assets, your time and your family's health.